In this video, we now have a Bitcoin decision time, but the question is this going to play out bullish? Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So before I dive in dito sa weekly stochastic RSI na gusto kong pag-usapan, kasi meron din ditong Bitcoin decision time, let's first give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So, di ba sa previous analysis, we were monitoring this falling wedge. And then, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, this is a bullish pattern forming. And then, initially, we were targeting 64,300 as the first target. Then, the final target is the 65,200. And, unfortunately, bumaba pa siya ng onte. But as you can see, this falling wedge has actually played out nga dito, hitting our first target, but as you can see, it's not hitting the final target. But ako personally, close na yung long position dyan. Mas maganda na i-close na yung long position dito kasi I am not sure personally if aabot pa siya dito sa 65,200. So yeah, that is what is right now we are currently monitoring dito for the short term. But what's next for the Bitcoin price action? So as you can see, wala pa tayong clear indicators forming dito right now with the Bitcoin price action for the very short term. Even if you're going to look at this in the 4-hour time frame, there are no clear indicators. But if you're going to look at this in the daily time frame, you could find na we actually came off from a bullish stochastic RSI cross in the daily. So that's why we are also seeing that pump na nakita natin recently. But ito na yung gusto kong pag-usapan ngayon, which is the weekly time frame. Kasi kay weekly time frame, as you can see, we recently came off from a bullish stochastic RSI cross dito. And as you can see, tinry niya magkaroon ng bearish cross, but that did not happen. Rather, we are still continuing this increase. So right now, there is a very crucial resistance forming, which is still the 65,000 US dollars, which is a very critical resistance. In order for us to see Bitcoin to play out bullish, it has to break the 65K area. As you can see, nare-reject tayo dyan multiple times. But looking at the momentum na meron tayo dito sa weekly stochastic RSI, is more likely telling us na we are more likely going to break it. But yun nga, kailangan lang talaga natin abangan. If magkaroon tayo ng breakout above the 65K, then I will be opening more long position. Pero right now, I'm not going to touch any of my trades. Aabangan ko lang siya. And either way, meron din naman tayong long-term long position na naka-open. So, hayaan lang natin siya gumalaw for the time being. But the moment na magkaroon nga ng breakout dito sa 65K, then I will be opening a long position dito. And on top of that, it's because if you're going to look at this in the weekly time frame then, sa RSI chart, if you're going to look at this, meron din tayong bullish divergence forming dito sa dito sa RSI natin. Ayan o. So RSI is telling us na magkakaroon tayo ng bullish movement dito. So it's just a matter of time on when is this going to play out. And ayun nga, may crucial resistance 65K. The moment na ma-break yun, then that is going to be the next crucial move dito kay Bitcoin. And siguro the resistance na you can watch out for dito is this line dyan. Ayan no. This could be a falling wedge forming then, which is also another bullish pattern. So yun. Right now, we have to monitor those things closely if this is going to play out bullish. And kailangan lang talaga natin abangan. Wala tayong magagawa dito, not unless abangan na magkaroon ng bullish movement na dito kay Bitcoin price action. But anyway, ayun lang muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.